guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. What I want to share with you today is how to style a summer outdoor bar cart. The first thing you need is a bar cart. I got one from Target and I'll try to link it for you if it's still available. I got it a couple months ago for a party, but I totally love it. It's made for outdoors. Second, you need to decide kind of like the theme of your bar cart. So mine is going to be like summer, just like summer, you know, kind of like flamingos, pineapples, and all things summer. Then you need to decide like what drink you're gonna feature is what I usually do. So we're gonna make margaritas. And I'm also gonna share my favorite margarita recipe with you guys today. Then third, you have to get all the things to kind of decorate the bar cart together. I'll show you everything I pulled out. And then you just kind of start styling it and placing things on the bar cart until you feel happy with it. I will try to link some of the stuff below for you. I have been buying stuff because we're actually in the process of hopefully getting a pool in our backyard. It's just like permits and things like that. We're not sure if it's gonna work out, but I'm definitely hoping that we get a pool, and I'm gonna decorate the backyard so gorgeous, you guys. So anyway, I digress. Let's go ahead and get started on how to style a summer bar cart. Okay, here are all the things that I placed out to get ready for the bar cart, and I'll just kind of like talk about them really quick. But these are margarita glasses that I got from Target Opal House, and they're plastic, which I totally recommend getting plastic because you're gonna be outside and they could break. I also got this drink container from Target. I have been looking for a drink stand and have had no luck at all, but yesterday I went to Sur La Table and there's so much sale on summer stuff right now that I got this little napkin holder and these super cute napkins that just look totally summer to me. So let's flamingo, and then one that says cheers. I bought this for my future pool, hopefully, that we get, and it's just like a neon little flamingo, and I'll probably put it on the bar cart. I bought these at Sur La Table yesterday. They're just little floaties for the pool, but I thought they'd make cute decor for the bar cart. And then some paper straws. I got this a while back at World Market, but I don't know if the camera's focusing here. They're little flamingo picks. And then I bought this glass. I purchased this glass at Hobby Lobby, and then I got these from Target. They're just little stirrers for drinks. And I blew up the floaties last night. I do want to feature this little cactus in the bar cart because it's pink like the flamingos, and I just love it so much. And then there's the flamingo. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh, it probably doesn't show up on camera, but maybe I'll get some footage later tonight and you guys can see it. Just, oh, and then I bought this last year. It's just like a pineapple candle holder, but I thought I could put like a citronella candle in there. And then I have these little, I'm not sure what, they're like little ice buckets. So I bought this one at Target Dollar Spot, and then I bought this one like at home. But I'll use one of them for like ice and maybe putting bottled waters in there. But yeah, I've placed everything out just so I can decide how to style it, and then I will put it together and show you what it looks like when it's all ready. Okay, we're gonna show you how to make the margarita right now. This is everything that you need. So this margarita is from our favorite restaurant in California called Blue Plate Taco. And this is everything that your favorite tequila, limes, a jalapeno, a cucumber. The recipe calls for triple sec. You can use Contra, which is a little nicer. A muddler, Sean's knife, agave nectar, and then I like my margaritas with salt. So we actually use this, and Sean will show you how we do it, but we're only gonna make one because Sean and I are on a diet and we're not drinking right now. But you can make a bigger version, like a picture of it.
All right, guys, so this is Janet's favorite margarita. What I like to do is first cut up the cucumber and the jalapeno. I kind of put it in like a little mix just because it's easier to muddle. You can do it however you want. You can slice it like this and throw it in like these and just throw them in there. It's up to you, but I like to do it this way. It's probably a little too much for one drink, but for flavor wise, whatever you want to do. So you put that in your little mixer, and I'm not a bartender, so if the wording of whatever this is called, you can critique it later. So you just smash it down.
Oh my god, it smells amazing.
Just get the flavor out. And then we do 2 ounces. Maybe a little bit more.
Honey, we're not gonna drink it.
That's about 2. Whatever you want.
We like our margarita strong.
All right. So normally what it would call for is, let's see, triple sec, about a 1/2 ounce.
Which is a Contro.
Yeah, and then the agave. They're both the same, 1/2 ounce on each. We don't really do that. We get a premix. You can get this one from Williams-Sonoma. So however you want to do it, we normally use this because it's already premixed. It's got agave and it already has the lime juice and everything else. So it's fresh. You can do whichever one you want. Pour a little bit in there to taste. Put some ice in it. Just like a handful of ice. You're just really chilling it down. While that's going, take your glass, take a little bit of lime, rub it around. And then you got some salt. You can use, there's a spicy salt or one that you want to use. It's up to you. This is one that Janet got. And it's not really that sticky, so we're gonna just put it on there.
I like the color, that's why I got it. It's fancy.
But however much salt you want, you can do it that way. So then just shake this up. Make sure the top is on. Make sure you smile when you shake it.
Oh my god, it looks amazing.
And there you go.
There's the cucumber jalapeno margarita ready for drinking. The bar cart is now set up, and because it's 110 degrees in Texas outside right now, we set it up inside. But I just wanted to show you guys like what it would look like outside. We did put the little margarita that we made there just for show, but just kind of made it look kind of cute. Added a pitcher. I would normally put some ice down there with bottled water, and that is a summer bar cart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.